Hey y'all, it's Got This with another look, another creation. I was feeling handsome, I was feeling pretty, and here's how I made this look. First thing I did was go in with that Mayron Clown White, blended it really well, and then I went ahead and hit it with that natural skin tone foundation and blended the edges. Then I set it all with cornstarch just to make sure it don't get too greasy and don't move. Then I went in with this Makeup Revolution palette with these two shades of purple so that I can contour the center of my face, like on this white part. I kept going in like on my lip right there because I wanted like a unique shape. And then I hit up this fuchsia color as well and went back and forth with the purples to make like a cool contour. Then I went in with this Makeup of Murder pastel pigments that are blacklight reactive, and I reinforced the purple, and then I went in with that blue on the white parts. And then I was like, really gotta be iridescent, so I hit it up with this pastel yellow from Makeup of Murder as well. I did that to clean up the contour highlight areas, really gives like this iridescent glow effect. And I just kept doing that like on my nose highlight and my brow bone highlight as well. Yeah, I was really feeling that. So I blended it in really well just to make sure it was good. And then I hit it with a brown contour that's like my flesh tone. I really did that so that it all blended in really well. And you can still see on my flesh tone everywhere else. I went in with the sculpting color, blended it really well, made sure I was looking good, and I loved it. Then I hit it up with this like purple iridescent highlighter that was really bright and vibrant in person. I put it all over my brow bone, my cheekbones, and on my nose. And then I went in with a bronze shimmer just to give it even more of an iridescent effect. Then I started going in with the black details. I wanted an eyeliner that looked like bubbles, and I experimented with it. This was my first time, and I really loved it. I thought it looked really cool, and I like this look altogether. So I am going to add more like black details, including my lips, my nose, a couple more bubbles. And then I put in like these under eyes, and I used this liner to accentuate everything, gave an under eye effect, and here is the finished look. I finished it off with like lip gloss on the lips just to give it a bubble look, and I made this jellyfish hat. I loved this creation, and here's my performance, like a part of it, so you can see what I look like on stage. I thought it looked awesome. So if you'd like to see how I made the jellyfish hat, let me know. And if you want to see this full performance, I do have a Patreon. You can see it there, and you can go to gotthisjasmine.com. I'll see y'all next time.